As I said, I wanted to paper this wall in real time as it happened. I didn't want to set it up to make everything perfect. I wanted to show you the little issues. They're not problems, they're just little issues you encounter around the wall. Nothing goes exactly to plan. So this length of paper here is finished short of our corner. Now it could have finished right back here, and obviously we'd be putting a length in here. This is very small. People are tempted to hang their paper and just leave an excess and push it around the corner. Hard to do with dry paper, but just take it around the corner. So basically you're papering an internal angle. I don't recommend ever doing it on any wall, any area. Don't paper an internal angle. If you run one piece of paper around the whole angle, which I see quite often, so people push that in. As it dries, the paper has stretched and will shrink, and that corner will just pop out. The paper, as it shrinks back to its normal size, will jump out of that corner and it won't be tight in. I see that quite often. So what we need to do, unfortunately, even though it's very small, is cut a small strip on this edge and then just lap it onto this wall 1/4 inch. So our paper then goes up and overlaps it. If I tried to cut this strip exactly into this corner, if this corner, this is an exaggeration, but if this corner did this, then every now and again you'd see a bit of dark brown behind the wall as the wall might belly out slightly. You'd see a little bit of the old wall colour. So we need to, any internal corner, you need to paper round, leave an excess of 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch. Try and leave as little as you can with quite a thick paper, and then your length on this wall will overlap it and you will see no existing wall behind in that corner.